Mashallah. Brim. Nice one. Nice one, nice one. Good afternoon, guys. Finally we're back in boat fishing adventure after more than 1 month. Yeah, we're back again. Yeah, napakaganda ng panahon, so we will try our luck this time. So it's Thursday afternoon, almost 3:30, right, with the Master JJF. Wasalak!
Shout out, Master Altum Channel. Subscribe guys, Altum Channel ha. Don't forget.
Ayan guys, stay tuned. Kasama namin si with of course Captain Humid and Master Abu Turkey. Right guys, stay tuned. All the best. What's up, bro Robin?
It's good. We're going fishing, huh?
Yeah. It's been a while. Now we're back again for boat fishing adventure. Inshallah. Good weather. Inshallah, good weather, good catch. Yan yung boat namin, no. Ano yan? Kondisyon. Kondisyon na kondisyon. Alright guys,
Alright.
welcome to our boat fishing adventure. Of course with Captain Humid and Abu Turkey.
Assistant.
Welcome. Welcome aboard.
Captain assistant.
Master JJF.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yan. We're back again. Mashallah, Abu Turkey. First catch of the day. Aywa.
that big?
Aywa.
Ay, meron dito na big.
Marshall. Oh! Flathead!
Oh my God.
Show me! Mashallah. Very big. Mashallah. Oh, it's a big one.
Oh, also flathead.
Mama, too much flathead here. Why? All big size. Woo! Nag-roar. Mashallah. Yan na, master.
Oh, baka tapa na naman.
Diretso na yan, diretso na.
Tapa.
Wag naman. Dadapa na tayo dyan.
Oo. Ayun.
Aywa, brim.
Sibim.
Okay. Yun. Brim na. Ay! Kuwang!
Ayun, tayo master.
Mashallah.
Hopefully landed.
Wow!
My favorite again.
So good.
Another strike, Master Alan. Tahimik lang. Tahimik lang. Pero
One mouth.
next one, Master.
Oh, Sherry.
Wow, huge Sherry. See? Yeah, big Sherry, Master. Nice one, Master. First cuts, Master. Mashallah.
Brim. Nice one. Nice one.
Yun, no? Third strike. Oh, suhada.
Suki. My favorite. Aywa.
What's this, Alan? All small.
This time.
This time small.
Turn.
Angat-angat.
Oh, nag-roar. Sure ball. Yeah. Look at the sunset.
8 meters.
Nandun ang sunset. Natin. Suki.
Favorite of the day.
Suki, oh.
Suki, flathead.
Suki flathead.
Kaya si Master Do, ma-harvest ng flathead.
تعال خلاص حسبتك خلاص ثابت بديك تعال مرة قمت يلا والله أتأكد الأمر كله